So I've been posting some videos lately on tips on how to learn English, for people in Brazil. And a common question people ask me is, my experience with English. How did I learn English? And I lived in the United States for 8 years. You know, I went, I lived in the United States from 2001 until 2009. And the way it happened was kind of unexpected. Uh, I got an opportunity to go to US and to study music. Got a full scholarship. So to study music. So I went to the United States in 2001. And my first year was just studying English, learning English. I knew pretty much nothing of English. I took a few English classes in high school, but they weren't that good. So when I came to US in 2001, I knew very little English. Could barely understand anything. So my first year was just studying English. So I learned, got good at it. And then I spent 4 years on my bachelor's degree in music in cello. And then I spent 2 years on my master's, my master's on the violin. And all this time I was living in Campbellsville in Kentucky, Campbellsville University. That was the place I was studying. For my last year, I spent 1 year living in Nashville in Tennessee, just working, playing orchestras and teaching violin. And in 2009, I came to Brazil. So that's my experience in English, for people who ask, that's how I learned, I lived there. And as I said, I knew very little English when I went to the United States. But this whole experience of living in the US and taking classes and talking to people, watching TV and listening to English every day, that's how I learned, living in the US.